I'm making a short video to show you how to get the grades and comments back when I'm done returning them. So first thing you'll notice is that there's a red dot, orange dot up here, and it'll tell you your grade. What you want to do then is just click on whatever grade, and this will take you straight into the course and your grade book. And so now you'll see that there's this view inline feedback, which you can click. I tend not to put many comments here other than just go look at the comments. And so then you'll be able to go into the assignment and be able to read the comments I'm returning to you. I don't put comments in here either. I don't put comments in here either, so you can just get rid of that part. If you don't see the blue comments, it's because this isn't clicked. The red is the plagiarism checker, so this compares your work to anything published online, anything submitted to my class before, etc. And you'll also find that within the comments there are often links, which you will want to follow in order to get more information about how to format and how to, review the quotations and, things that might not have been correct. And so you'll get examples on how to fix this and how to cite and stuff. Okay, the comment that I put closer to the end of the document. Sometimes I put it in the last paragraph where you're summarizing, you're summing up what you argued, and sometimes I put it behind the works cited page. But all comments are important. But that one is the one where I give you my summative comment of the entire work. And just note that professors can see when you come and look at the comments, and if I'm noticing students aren't looking at the comments, I just stopped commenting on your paper. All right, so that's the quickest way to look at feedback. And yet the other way to look at feedback is to go to the class progress tool, which I think is a little bit better. And the reason being that here you get an overview of the entire course, and it better explains your grades in the context of the course. And so it shows you your current grade. It shows you if you got 100 on everything for the remaining assignments in the semester. This is the maximum final you can get. And if you were to get a 0 on everything for the remainder of the semester, this is the minimum that you would get. And here you could also click on grades, and it's just a slightly different format. It breaks the grades up into categories, and so you see all the Dropbox items that have been returned to you, and the forum discussions that have been returned to you. And here you can also click on the feedback and once again get to the graded rubric. It tells you your exact score versus the orange dot will tell you a rounding of your score. And you're going to want to go look at the rubric just to understand how, the score that you received. And the idea is to get as many boxes on the left as possible. And do read through the categories just to kind of get a sense of where the paper fell in for its grade. Okay, I think I covered it all. So let me know if you have any questions.